Alright, hey guys, my name is Bree and welcome back to my channel. If you are subscribed, thanks for tuning back in. I just want to say that I'm so appreciative of everyone who has subscribed to me. I am going to go ahead and open up my subscriber count once I reach 100, and I'm almost there. So I will be possibly doing a giveaway for that. Stay tuned. But I am doing a review on these Aliexpress lashes that I got. I did do an unboxing. I may end up including it in the video, I don't know, but I had just got off of work and I just felt like I looked stressed and tired and whatnot. You'll probably see it throughout the video, rambling. These lashes were only about $2 each, $2 and some change. So if you want to be a baddie and slay on a budget, then definitely keep watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe because your girl is almost to 100. But yeah, these lashes are a part of the video, so if you want to see my review on them, keep on watching. Alright, so it ended up coming in here. Honestly, I think they all came from the same, yeah, they had to have all came from the same company. And hopefully they're labeled. If not, I'll just put the label somewhere on the screen so that way we know what's what. But okay, so it's only 4 pairs of lashes. Ooh, these are cute. Okay, so it did come with a card. Oh, it's called Buzz Me Lashes. We'll see, but this is how they came. They are too cute. So I don't know if they're labeled. They are. This one is EB01. Okay, if I go like this. So that's EB01. Then I got EB04. That's that. These are some long ass lashes. Like, I be seeing them on Instagram and shit, but these are like, and I wear long lashes, so I don't know how this is gonna go. There's this one, and this one is EB02. And this one is EB05. I'm so excited for these, like, y'all have no idea. So I am gonna go ahead and try each of them on and let you guys know how I feel about them. It shouldn't be too long, so I'll be right back when I get the first pair on. But I am using duo lash glue. I did have it out, I don't know, I'm probably sitting on it, but I will be right back with the first pair on. And I think the first pair is gonna be, might as well go in order. We're gonna start with EB01. All right. This is EB01. These are really nice. Really nice. I'm so excited for this. All right, guys, this is the EB01. I do like them. They are really pretty. They definitely would be better with a full face of makeup. I don't have any makeup on right now. I really just did my eyebrows for this video. I very rarely wear makeup during the week, but I do want to get back into it. So maybe with this channel, that's what I'll probably start doing. But no, for real, these lashes, like, it's kind of tricky. They were a lot longer, and when I put them on to try to like measure them to my eye, they were fucking ridiculous. Like, I mean, I could barely keep my eyes open, and I wear long lashes. So I was like, what the fuck? I don't even think I'm gonna do this video. Like, I almost dead ass stopped recording, but I kept going and I was just cutting and cutting them. But it seems like I made too blunt of a cut right here, so I may end up like swapping sides to see. But yes, I mean, they're really cute overall. Just keep in mind, you are gonna have to cut these bitches because, all right. So yes, now I'm gonna go on to number 2, which I just had. And I have to change my blazers like all over there. So this is for sure number 2. Oh, and this is cute. They say that they're cruelty-free and handmade. And then they give you little instructions on how to apply false lashes, and it's on each and every box. So that's really nice in case somebody hasn't had them before. I can definitely see these are gonna be some more you have to cut. You're gonna have to cut all of these unless you want some big ass eyes, or you have some big ass eyes. So that's number 2. I'm gonna go put it on and see, and then I'll be back. So these are number 2. I did like these, putting them on, because they weren't as heavy as the number 1 eyelashes. I don't know, I'm out of breath because I keep getting up and getting down. Maybe I need to exercise or something because this is not okay. Anyway, I do like these. There's not much to say about them. They're a little bit more natural, not so much like you can wear these every single day. You don't really have to have makeup on, because I mean, if I wore these, I wouldn't look absolutely crazy if I just went like this. So they're cool. I'm gonna go ahead and
open number. Oh, I got 1, 2, 4, 5. So we're gonna go 4.
So these are number 4. And I'm gonna go put these on, so I'll be right back. Alright, so these are number 4. I like these the best so far because they were really easy to cut, and they're like the number 1s, but for every single day. The ones I would wear to the club, like if I was doing something, going out to eat, had like a full face of makeup, like I was saying, like, but this is perfect. Like, these may be my go-to lashes. They are so pretty. 10 out of 10 would recommend, okay? But not for real, these are dope. I really do like them. The last one that I have is number 5, so I'll go ahead and take that out the pack real quick. I still gotta cook dinner and still take a shower. Still get ready for tomorrow. I have so many things that I need to do, but I did want to go ahead and record this because if not, I would have put it off all the way until the weekend, and we don't want to do that.
And then I just throws off uploading each week, which I'm trying to do. So far I have been able to upload each week, because I know if I stop doing it, I'm not, like, 9 times out of 10, I'm probably not going to pick it back up. And nobody likes to be a consistent person, so unless something serious is happening.
Okay, so this is the last one. This is number 5, and I know I keep saying this every time I sit my ass back down, but these are like the best ones out of the box. Only because they are like number 2, but they are more subtle. For me, I really used to like dramatic lashes in the past, but I like a more natural vibe as far as like every day. I would end up wearing those dramatic ones, like I said, only with makeup, because at the end of the day, I might wear these tomorrow and the next day and the next day. So overall, my favorite was number 5. Let me know in the comments which one you like best. You can say 1, 2, 4, or 5, and we'll see which one wins. I'll probably do something like this again now that I know the kind that I like, and I'll probably include more and do a battle between companies. That sounds cool. But yeah, save your coins and you could be a baddie on a budget.